Today I'm doing deep powder nails on full cover nail tips, and let me show you what is included in this kit. It has activator and 2-in-1 base and top coat, a dusting brush, a file, and it comes as well with some extra brushes for the base. Sometimes they get clumpy and you need to replace them. As well, it has 6 different shades as you can see here, and I'm gonna be using this one over here. It's perfect for the design I'm doing today. These are the tips that I'm using today. They are coffin shape, they are clear, and they have a beautiful shape. I'm gonna be choosing my sizes, and then I will do some adjustments around the cuticle area. Anytime I use full cover nail tips, I like to do that so they look much better. I glue my nails today with sticky tabs. It's just to make my life easier when I have to remove these nails later because I want to make more videos. And I went around the cuticle area as well with a file just to make it look more flush against my natural cuticle. For the application, I'm starting with an even layer of the base taupe. After that, I will sprinkle the powder and I will let it settle in there for a few seconds. Then I'm gonna dust it off and repeat the same step for all the nails. Today I'm gonna be doing a total of 2 layers. The nail art I'm doing for today is a Frenchie. This is always a classic and always looks beautiful. I haven't done it in a while and out of practice, but let's see what happens. I'm going to add as well some rhinestones and some beautiful stickers that I have. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and thank you for being here. I just finished doing all my Frenchies and they're looking good, not too bad. I'm gonna be using a Modelones gel top coat. You can always use the one included in the kit, which is the base top coat 2-in-1, and that one is air dry if you use it. And I'm gonna be attaching these rhinestones directly on the top coat. If you want this to last you longer, it's better to use rhinestone glue. These nails are giving me wedding vibes today, guys. They're looking so beautiful so far, and for sure they will be perfect for that kind of event, like a wedding. And this is the final result. I'm very happy with these nails today. Thank you so much if you stayed until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.